I hope you can see my screen. Is this visible?
Yes, yes. AWS CloudWatch, yes.
Okay. Yeah, we are going to discuss today.
Recording in progress.
Yeah, today we are going to discuss about AWS CloudWatch.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so CloudWatch is one of the AWS service which is offering by
Just like,
AWS only.
mm-hmm.
Okay, which is offering by AWS,
Mm-hmm.
and it is
This is
actually
just like
monitoring
SN3,
service.
right?
What did you say? Yes,
This is just like SN3. I mean,
SNS. You are saying?
SNS, sorry, SNS, yeah.
Yeah, SNS is part of AWS CloudWatch. That is also different
Mm.
service, but we will use SNS here.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay. I thought to take long time actually, but it's okay. I'll try to make
I
it
have one and
this
a
way.
half hour. Let's see, 1.5 hour. So,
You have 1.5 hour, but I have frequent one more meeting is there.
oh, okay,
Yeah,
okay, no problem. Let's see how much
yeah.
we can able
That's
to.
what I thought. Yeah, I joined around 4:40 or
Mm-hmm.
4:50. I just left my laptop, personal laptop for that. Yeah, so it's okay. Let's begin. We are talking about AWS CloudWatch. So it is a monitoring service. This service is integrated with many other services like EC2, SNS, Route 53, S3, then many. Okay, um, many services, right? In fact, Route 53 also. Okay, because
Mm-hmm.
its monitoring rate, it will watch many. Okay, it monitors and it will send the notifications by taking help of SNS. Okay, so all these interconnected, so it monitors your instances. So we have many other tools, outside. There are different other tools also, but those are all not integrated internal tools like Prometheus and Grafana stuff, such kind of. Okay, most companies are using CloudWatch because this is completely internal. If you are using AWS means definitely they will opt only AWS CloudWatch. Okay, because all are internal. So all are internal. So internal tool only will be helpful more. So there will be a great performance. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
AWS its own service, right? So that's why it works very well, and when it comes to easy, okay, because its own service, uh, you know it's a head of its own services, like it monitors things by name itself, and we can understand that it monitors your EC2 instance, it monitors CPU, it monitor RAM is under control or not, CPU is working or not, if disk space is there or not. It monitors and it gives alerts to you. In fact, it is integrated with auto scaling, as you've seen previously. So whenever
Mm-hmm.
yeah, whenever it reaches around 90 or 80%, whatever the target is, so if it reaches, automatically it will send the notification to you. Okay, it gives the information to particular okay, who is monitoring. Okay, now I'll let you how it's going on to monitor your
Mm-hmm.
machine. Let's take CPU utilization, CPU percentage. Why? See, most of the companies will keep focus, they will keep eye on CPU utilization. Okay, also they will monitor RAM also. Okay, CPU CPU in the sense, why CPU? The storage. Continuously you are working and logs are continuously adding. Okay, if it is reaches 90 or 100%, your performance may get down. Okay, right? So here you can understand this one. So this is CloudWatch, and there are some services inside this. So we will create some metrics. There is some alarm will be and whenever it triggers you will get email. Okay, also there is autoscale also will connect. So statistics, whatever statistics are there, okay, statistics will be connected to AWS management console and consumer. So this is just one photo I just captured from Google. Okay, so AWS CloudWatch, you see the performance, messenger app, whatever monitor, it will monitor entire your system. Okay, whatever the setup is there, your architecture setup. So wherever you want to keep this monitoring services, it will be useful. Okay, so without monitoring, what happens? Okay, so the performance may get down. With monitoring, what will happen? So you can able to improve your performance. Next, some servers are there. For suppose daytime it is high. Okay, okay, so night time it is low activity. So high in the sense, high time what happens? So you just need to utilize whenever you want, you can utilize it. You will get to know that how much consumption, how much percentage it is loads and all, server load. You will get to know the how much load is taking. Okay, and you will get to know that night time how much load is taking. Less load in the sense less cost, high load high cost. Next, detecting errors and troubleshooting. Customers are there. Okay, website, some website or application is there. If anything happens, okay, then the application will get down or downfall. Okay, performance will get down. So we can detect such kind of issues also. We can troubleshoot it. Here in the monitoring level itself, we can able to clear it before this into the production or somewhere. So we can stop here and we can detect early, instead directly going to the customers. Okay, customers, if the customers identify, the performance and business get down. Okay, if you identify, you can able to fix it immediately. Okay, and your performance you may increase. Okay, Amazon CloudWatch concepts, you see metrics, dimensions, metric. So we'll create some metrics. Okay, statistics, while we are doing practical, you will get to know that. Okay, what is metric? It represent a time ordered set of data points that are published to the CloudWatch. Okay, some data points in the sense, example, I'll take one example. This is y-axis, this is x-axis, this is y-axis, suppose. Okay, so this is, for suppose this is CPU percentage. You are checking, you just created this for CPU utilization. Okay, so maybe this what is the time now? 5:46. Now is 5:46, 5:40. Okay, after that 5:45, next to 5:50, 5:55, something like that. Here you keep 20%, 40%, 60%, 80%,
Utilization of the CPU. Okay,
and 100%. So you will this kind of setup will be there. Suppose initially your CPU reached up to, initially CPU load is high, 60% for suppose. Okay, next after 5 minutes, maybe it capture every 5 minutes by default.
okay,
Every 5 minutes it will capture the data.
monitor.
Okay?
It will monitor
monitor.
the CPU utilization.
Yeah, it will monitor continuously, but it will release the data every 5
Release
minutes.
the, yeah.
Okay. Okay, so next maybe if it is 40. Okay, next after some time might be some 70%. Okay, after some time, after 5 minutes again, the load is down and it is like this. So which means initially it's look like this. This is called as metric.
Metrics.
This is how metrics so this is how you can able to understand at what time, at what percentage, at what time what percentage is captured. By seeing this you can able to understand the metrics.
Yeah.
Statistics in the sense calculations. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
statics are metrics data aggregations over specific period of time, particular time duration of this time per specific period of time. So how much it is, everything is captured, right? So this will
Okay.
be captured, but it is not
Numbers.
recognized. Numbers, yeah, statistics in the sense how much percentage, everything. So in this is called as in detailed monitoring. Okay, this every 5 minutes is a default. If you want every minute if you want to capture, that is called as detailed monitoring. This detailed monitoring is cost. Okay, this every 5 minutes whatever it is the default monitoring, it is a free.
Okay.
Okay, so dimensions, a dimension is a name or value pair that uniquely identifies metric. Okay, they can be considered as a categories characteristics and describes a metric. So whatever it is background is happening, that's what about it. Okay, the dimensions and all we could not able to see, that background happens.
Okay.
Next, AWS CloudWatch. If you see Amazon CloudWatch, it will collect all metrics and logs here, and after that it will monitor, visualize, monitor and logs, and it will act. Okay, it will act in the sense alarm, you say. Okay, it will trigger alarm. Next it will analyze after that. So application monitor, system wide visibility, and resource optimization, health monitoring, everything. Okay, we'll see that all options when we are creating.
Okay.
Right, so that's it. This is all the only way I have these many PPTs. Okay, so CloudWatch is one of the AWS service. CloudWatch is monitoring service. It will monitor the AWS tool or relevant services, whatever it is. Services are there like suppose Route 53, S3, EC2, load balancer, auto scaling, all
these are AWS only, right? AWS.
Yeah, AWS only. All AWS related services only it will monitor, not other than this. Right. Next,
it is a resource optimization and health monitoring.
Yeah. So next we have same alternate services third party. So we have a lot of available outside in the market.
Okay.
Okay. So let me take this some space here. Yeah. What are those? Example, Datadog. Okay. Next one is Splunk. Okay. Grafana. App Dynamics.
Never heard of these things.
Yeah.
App Dynamics.
1 2 3 4, this is 4 and this is 5. Okay, App Dynamics. Next, Dynatree. Okay, and 5 6 Prometheus. Okay, Prometheus and Grafana will use together, and Azure monitoring.
Okay, that's for Azure inbuilt.
I'm not telling you to learn everything. Not that we have a lot of competitors outside in the market. Okay, so which means AWS is there. So if you can understand AWS, you can able to understand all this stuff. But use UI might be different, but you can able to understand the concept. That's what I am trying to say. If you can ride a bicycle, if you can able to ride a bike for suppose. Okay, so like if suppose if it is CB shines for suppose, or something like that, so you can able to ride other bikes also, right? Whatever, like Royal Enfield, like that. So you can able to understand the concept. If you can understand CloudWatch, the concept is same, but UI might be different, or there are some other options also will be there. That's it. And also it might be designed with some other programming language. It might be different. It might be different, but the concept is same. It is all these are for cloud monitoring purpose.
watch.
That's it. Okay. So it monitor and it gives alerts through SNS, and it reach up to, if it is reach up to 90%, it will trigger alarm. So you will get notification. So then whenever you see the notification, automatically you will go and check your service, and whatever the problem is there, that you will resolve it. Automatically you will save your server there.
Okay.
That's it.
Before it hits the public, we can.
Yeah. Okay. In companies monitor, they will monitor mostly CPU utilization, like load of instance, such kind of. Okay. CloudWatch is what it will do is, it will create the graphs to show us practically. Okay. CloudWatch will capture the every 5 minutes of data. Okay. 5 minutes is default. Okay. So like,
But you can change from 5 to 10
yes,
minutes, right? I mean,
if you can increase,
but
no
minimum is
problem.
5 minutes.
If you want to keep, you can keep 10 minutes also, but no use of 10 minutes, right? If you keep 10 minutes, in the meanwhile 5 to 10 minutes gap, or 1 to 10 minutes gap, if something happens, you never get any what I can say, notification. If you keep for suppose 30 seconds or 20 seconds, this is called as detailed monitoring. Okay. If you keep long, that is problem for you only. It will create more problem for you. By default they have mentioned 5 minutes. If you want to keep, you can keep 10 minutes also, but 1 to 10 minutes gap, if something happens, how will you get to know that? Okay. So if it is if happens after 1 minute 5 seconds for suppose, so you need to wait to get this information to you. You need to wait 10 minutes. Does it make sense? No, right? So that is the reason AWS what they have done, 0 to 5 minutes default is free. 5 minutes is free. Okay, sorry, 0 not 0, 5 minutes, minimum 5 minutes. Okay. Next, 0 to 1 minute, if you choose this, it is cost. Okay. So below 5 minutes, I am saying below 5 minutes it cost. You can detail monitor every second also. You can monitor like this, whether it is down or whether it is increasing, like this. So every detail you can able to see. But here in every 5 minutes, what happens, it will show here, and after 5 minutes only it will capture. Again it will be normal. After 5 minutes only it will show. After that, after 5 minutes only it will show, and after 5 minutes only it will show. Until then, the deadline reached, your whatever it is there, that collapsed, whatever your server or whatever. So I am saying detail monitoring is actually generally in companies they'll keep detail monitoring, not this default monitoring. No one will keep. But for us it is a free service. We can use this 5 minutes related, whatever default is there. Okay. So like this we can able to verify and understand how the performance of CPU. For every 5 minutes it will monitor your CPU, and it will show you performance of your CPU, RAM, etc., whatever you know. So this is default monitoring, and whenever you create instance, by default you will get monitoring. Okay. So that you can see. And what actually will happen, if you want to monitor every 1 minute, which means CloudWatch will capture information every 1 minute. Okay, if you want more accurate data, so you have to reduce the time interval. So this is called a default monitoring. This detailed monitoring will not be free ever. Okay, above that, above 5 minutes, you want to extend, you can keep 30 minutes, 1 hour, 2 hours. That's up to you, but no use that. Okay, so this is short about
AWS CloudWatch.
AWS CloudWatch, right? What's the time now? 5:58. Okay, so let's try. I was hurry yesterday. I don't know whether I stopped it or not. Okay. So okay, let me launch. I would like to show you from the scratch. That's why I'm not going to use any other previous existed EC2 instances. Okay.
Okay.
So let me launch my instance by taking Linux/this and whatever T3 micro, whatever it is there. I'll use whatever the previous one, and
Work settings. New VPC, anything?
no, I don't want to touch VPC. Just I would like to focus on only CloudWatch. Okay. Yes. That's it. Just launch instance. Okay, go to EC2 instance, click on that. So see, there is actually there are a lot of options here in underneath here, some status alarms, monitoring, security, and all this stuff. Okay, so this monitoring, if you click on this monitoring instance, whatever you created, you can say monitoring CPU utilization. Okay, metrics. Now normally you can't see in EC2 dashboard, you can see that, you can't see here. So we have limited options, so that's why we have a separate service called CloudWatch. So here also it will show generally whenever you create it, so this also shows here, but it is not detailed. It will not it will not appear much. Okay, if you put lot of load only, it will show here.
Okay, of course, yeah.
So then just let's create a CloudWatch. CloudWatch. Okay. See, this is separate service. Okay, CloudWatch. Yeah, you see this CloudWatch. In the CloudWatch there are many changes I have seen. Okay, that's okay, no problem, but whatever we want, we'll focus that on.
Alarms.
Click on alarms. Can you see in the alarms? I don't have any alarms so far. See, yesterday I have created but deleted. Okay, just create alarm first. Initial, let's go with the alarm. Okay, see, select metric.
EBS, EC2.
One second. Actually, while I'm creating, it's okay, fine. Yeah. So here, AWS create alarm, select metric I done, and AWS namespace. I would find AWS namespace here. Did I? No.
We had what are these numbers? EC2 941.
Which one? Let me go back. Per EC2 where did you show? Where is that? Show me.
When you go back, you clicked on that EC2. See 941 something.
They kept some numbers. We don't know that.
Okay, I
Just
thought
for,
that one instance is running or something.
Yeah. So I just want to click on EC2. Okay. So these I do have only EC2 so far. I don't have any auto scaling or all those stuff because I deleted everything. So let me do try practice on top of this EC2 metrics only. Click on this.
Okay.
See here, what is your EC2 ID? This is only, right? Copy, search here. Where is that? Yeah. So this is you will see what is this 4410. Okay, related to your EC2 instance. Yeah, it is. Whenever I copy this EC2 ID and paste it here, related to that only it is showing. I just want to enable CPU utilization only so far. Okay, because I have storage, so I just want to select CPU utilization. Okay. Let me select that CPU utilization only. Okay. Anything else more? Network, something. That's it. I'll keep CPU utilization. Okay. And this is a instance ID. That's fine. So it's here. By default, you got 5 minutes only. See this? Okay, if I keep 10 seconds, I need to pay. No doubt at all. So you have 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 5 minutes. So these are all chargeable. 10, 20, 30, 1
even 15 minutes. All those
no. Till here. 10, 20, 30, 1 minute. These are all chargeable. Remaining all free. If you want to, if you have that much of patience, no doubt you can do it. Okay, 5 minutes.
No, I mean, right now we don't have any much servers, right? So.
Yeah, so 5 minutes in the sense we need to wait 5 minutes, no doubt at all.
Yeah.
So this will 5 minutes. Yeah. So this is no one use actually. Basically they'll keep like this only. These many 10, 20, 30, 1 minute, because that is detailed monitoring. We need detailed monitoring actually. Yeah. What is happening? We need to observe that, right? So there is actually one designation got created. So nowadays they actually using observability engineer. Okay, in the DevOps there are a lot of roles created. DevOps engineer, cloud engineer, okay, SRE engineer, observability engineer, principal engineer, what I can say. There are a lot. Okay, so let me keep as usual static. Okay. CPU utilization greater than, I'm just keeping here. See, threshold type is static. Use value a threshold, anonymously detection. Okay, use a band as threshold. An anomaly. What is this? Anomaly detection. I used to see static only, but it is. I'd use this anomaly. Use band as threshold. Use value. I'll use value only. Okay. So greater than, I'll keep greater than 30%. I can't wait up to 70-80% because I don't have that much load. Okay. For
I think anomaly detection means if anything goes goes wrong, which is not normal.
Yeah. So I'm just here creating static value. I'm just keeping some static value. If it is more than 30%, because I don't have that much load, right? Empty, that is empty. Even I don't have you know,
Not even 30, I guess.
yeah, let me keep 30. Let's see. Okay, so it is greater than 30. It reaches greater than 30, then you will get alert.
Greater or equal, lower or
Yeah.
equal. Okay, got it.
What is this additional configuration? Data points alarm. 1 out of 1. Data points alarm. Define the number of data points within the evaluation. That missing data is missing. It's okay. Fine. Next. Don't focus on all the options. There are a lot of useless options
Yeah.
also. In alarm, okay, alarm. Create a topic. Can you see this? We don't have a topic yet ready. Yesterday I have created
Mm.
but deleted, right? So let me create this.
Yes.
Default CloudWatch, I'll keep like this. Alarm. Cha.
Already alarm there.
Yeah. Let me keep CloudWatch only. CloudWatch alarm topic. So email. This email, right? And
Create top. Oh.
1 second. So comma. Can you say? Can you give me your email ID? If you can.
F
F
S A
S A
F I A
F I A.
@gmail.com.
Okay. Okay. So now red color gone just because of only .com. Okay. Create a topic. Okay. So you need to. You will get email.
Mm-hmm.
So you need to acknowledge. So I got it. No, not this one. So I need to go
This
somewhere
one.
in trashes or spams.
Yeah.
So I got it. Subscription. Confirm subscription. Can you see this? So
Mm-hmm.
confirmed. Okay. So
Yeah,
next.
then I got it.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
Next. That's all I have done, right? And then next. Accepted, right? After accepting SNS Nalgonda office. 1 second. Yes. Yes. Wrong number. Okay. Some
Mm-hmm.
useless call. Open. Next, what is? Where is my SNS? Here. No. Here. No. So let me keep. This is instance. This is also instance. Let me take here SNS.
Oops.
What happened?
When I subscribed it, it says resubscribe again because I think since you subscribed it, I don't have. So I
It's
don't
okay. Okay. You just do try.
know.
See here. CloudWatch alarm. Now it is showing. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
It is showing.
Okay.
So which means subscribed well. Confirmed. You see. Both are confirmed. No worries. You also already
Oh,
done.
yeah.
But you
Yeah,
deleted.
yeah, I confirmed it. Yeah.
See this? Deleted. But you deleted. Something went wrong. You confirmed. But thing is deleted.
Yeah, that's what I want.
Yeah. Unsub. Maybe you might have clicked on unsubscription by mistakenly.
Yeah.
Okay. So that we will do. Okay. I have already created alarm. So we are doing anything because no load on my machine. Let me increase. I'll do one thing. This is my EC2 instance, right? Let me. Where is that instance? Yeah, here. I don't have a time to connect all this stuff with the what is that mobile extreme and all. I'll use browser itself here. Okay.
Okay.
So I want to put
Yeah.
some kind of
Load
some
in there
load,
basically.
some test load. Okay.
Yeah, got it.
So sudo so iPhone. So what I have to do?
You are already in the root. So
While I didn't remember, forgot long ago. True, maybe true. think space is there or not. Do ECHO echo colon done. Why should I take this much burden? Let me copy this. Where is my friend ChatGPT? Correct infinite loop on Linux machine. I just remember some only. While true do echo. That's fine. I did correct. Okay, that's good.
Yeah.
Good job. Still I remember. Okay, no problem. Let me take the spaces and I'll just use enter. That's it. So this is infinite loop. This will continuously run, gradually increase your load. Let's wait and check that load.
Yeah, if the email will trigger or not.
Yeah, when it reaches so and so whatever we mentioned, 30 or
30%.
40%. So here also monitoring is there. Let me check here also. Come on. See this? It is showing.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
See, increased load is how much? You see this right here, 0.13. This is very less load.
Yeah. At the time it goes to 30%.
Yeah, it's too much, right? Okay, so I can continue this also. Lambda is to action. That's fine. Let me complete this also. CPU utilization, this is done. Lambda not needed. Scale auto scaling not required. EC to action. Alarm, okay. When I stop the alarm also, terminate instance, reboot. Can I keep this stop instance? Yeah.
Yeah.
Next, EC to action. That's okay. System manager action, invest. This is all not required. So let me go to next. Alarm name. What is that alarm name? EC2 alarm. Something EC2 related only I have done, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So next, what is this? Alarm description. I don't want to keep all this stuff. Next,
Okay.
you see this? I just said 30%, right? So it is still 0.3 only. What is this? When should it reach? I don't know. Oh goodness. Is this really running or not? I am not sure. Okay, so next, actions. This is fine. Tags fine. Let me create. Click alarms. All alarms. Yeah, insufficient data now. Insufficient data. See here, one data point within 5 minutes. One data point to select one data points. All dots I have created, right? That is, we can call it as data point. For every 5 minutes it will capture one data point. What is this? Is insufficient data? Why it is getting?
What are all the other states you have? Maybe you can
see here.
find.
This is down. Why I don't know. Getting down. This is too much. Alarm. Okay. Inefficient data. What is this?
Oh, there is not much data to run also, basically.
So, but we kept some load on top of this, right? Hey, what is this? Let me take please
Bit more load, yeah.
install Python on my Linux.
Linux server.
Let me use these are all. I'll keep some more. I could not able to even say. I don't use this browser anywhere, anytime.
Mm.
See here, this is already stuck. Waste browser. Don't
Maybe if
use.
we create some folders, we've created some folders last time. Something like that. So I have updated why. Sudo install Python.
Yeah, I'm just installing Python.
Mhm.
Oh, what is this? Latest metadata check so and so Python. Nothing.
It's already
Dependencies
installed.
installed. By default, it got. Mm-hmm.
Mhm.
Mm-hmm.
Python already there, so no.
PIP. I'll try PIP. Package manager. Let's try this also. Nginx.
Sudo. Yeah. Sudo install.
Paste. Yeah, you see, it is showing metric alarm. Okay. Okay, let me refresh this. Oh, it is still showing this much. How much? Oh my goodness, 3%. Oh, I'll keep more load. mm,
Can you decrease the thing to 10% maybe instead of 30%?
yeah.
CPU load.
So this browser, sometimes it happens like this only. Browser, we should not connect with the browser. Let me go to there. Bash. Downloads I have deleted, I guess. Is that the one? Transcribe. Okay. Here or there. Downloads. Linux. I don't know where I mentioned. Okay. Actually, whatever I'll keep very much safe. I don't find it out. Okay.
Hmm.
I know this is very that key is in very secure place, but I could not able
Yeah,
to
you
find it
put
out.
it in some folder.
Yeah.
I know.
Yeah, that is in very secure place, but see, unnecessary is I could find unnecessary things here. See.
Maybe you can use new key and again you have to.
Okay. New key is not that much easy. There is a big process to get new key.
Hmm.
So yeah,
Again, you need to
we
add
need to deal
alarm and
with
all that stuff.
EBS. You need to deal with EBS. Okay, you need to detach and detach. All those stuff are involved in that. I might have deleted. I think. I guess. Okay, let me do one thing. I'll open this only. Something is getting down. Oh my goodness. If I get that if I get key, I'll definitely find it out. This useless browser, I chose this wrong actually. So install Apache 2. See, it is not working actually. Bloody hell. Waste browser, please do not use browser actually. Yum install YUM
Mhm.
sudo yum install apache 2 -y. What is this? No match argument Apache 2. HTTPD will work. Yeah, Apache 2 is not supporting. That's it.
Okay.
See, I need to find here and there. See, what is this? This is really ridiculous. Weird.
Yes.
Oh, right. Let me check. I'll refresh here. Where is that? I did mistake actually. I would have taken better. So if I run infinity, what happening
Better.
is actually that is stucking. Automatically it is stucking. It is getting stuck. I'll do one thing. Actions. Edit. How much it reached? 7%.
So 10%, put it 10.
I'll keep 5 only.
Okay.
Next. See this? Update alarm. So go to alarms. See this? It is down now. Earlier it was crossed already. So let me keep some more data. So what was that? Let us try to use this loop only.
Install something else too. Yeah.
Yeah, I'll try with this loop. I don't know whether it works. I don't have any content on this because this browser always strucks if I run this. Okay, so now I'll try to refresh this. I need to wait for 5 minutes again.
5 minutes.
One second, I'll put on my light.
But I'm also thinking which timeline is it taking? 12:30, 12:40. It's neither my time, neither your time. It just started from 12.
Yeah, can you see this? It reached up to uh, it reached up to 8%, correct?
Yeah. Mhm.
So now go to alarms. Where is that? This is ESS2, this is something, and this is alarm. So let me take this, duplicate. See here, red color.
Mm.
Can you see this?
Okay.
Alert. If you
Alert.
say
Yeah.
alarm, it is alarm, some alarm. So such kind of alarms you will get. If you see that alarm, you need to go to particular service, and you need to identify what happening. After that, you need to clear it immediately. Okay.
Okay.
So alarm got. Let's check which
What
alarm you
about the
got.
email? You should get email also, right?
Yeah, email also. So let check email. See here, alarm. You got a email, right?
Mm-hmm.
You are receiving email because Amazon Cloud EC2 alarm Stockholm region entered alarm state because threshold crossed some particular point, data point. Okay, be
Mm-hmm.
greater than so and so 5%, maybe there 90%, in our case 5%. Okay, so and so date with the time. Okay, you'll get all the details, whatever EC2 account number, state change, alarm, okay, description, account number, alarm. Okay, threshold, the alarm in alarm state when metric is greater than so and so. So then you will get to know that. So next metric, EC2, all details, CPU utilization, this is related to this alarm, related to CPU utilization, threshold period 300 seconds, average, missing, so and so, like this. So such kind of data you'll get. Okay, don't do research on all these options, just you will get alerts like this.
Mm.
Okay, this is how we need to create alarms. See it's getting drop. So whenever alarm comes up, it looks like red color, like this.
Okay.
Okay, if it is, if under, unless under, so whenever your alarm will be in this point red color, if it is in the red color line, so this level it will show red color. What time? So for suppose 5 minutes, it might be in red color. For suppose 5 minutes it is in alarm, for suppose
And
this
yeah.
alarm not it
Mm-hmm.
go down, so it will keep red color, like this. Okay, so
Got
alarm
it.
time,
Yeah.
whatever, if you don't fix it until, if you whatever the time you won't fix it until then, so it will keep in red color. If you fix it after that, it will be in green color. So like that,
Got it.
you see. So now alarm capture, when alarm you got this particular time, see here the status. So now
Yeah.
earlier we don't have alarm in this area, so we have alarm captured here. So and so time, end time, start time. So like that, if you, the load is down, automatically it will get down. See here, still in alarm, we did not fix it.
Mm.
Okay, still in alarm continuously,
Got it.
right? Oh, AI also, my goodness. See, AWS included this AI.
AI operations. That's good.
Generative AI observability, my goodness. See this AI also. Hmm. 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 AI investigation, generative AI observability, model of investigations. See, we don't have
Invocations.
all these things earlier. Just recently added those. We don't have all these options earlier.
AI DevOps, is this what it is basically? I mean, don't know.
They
This
are
is not
actually inculcating, which means they are actually keeping adding one by one in every service.
every service.
So this
Yeah.
is very small service, that's why they have added. So here in this AI overview of just investigation, why alarm got, what purpose you got alarm, all those stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Still is not yet dropped. See, investigation, AI investigation. Start investigation. Okay. So it is easy to alarm. Try adjusting the dashboard time range. Only we have one only, right?
Mm-hmm.
What are the findings? Nothing is showing it is.
It's in the investigations. You're investigating what happened.
Just investigation. If it is a big one, it will show everything here. This is a small one.
Small. Just in the dashboard. And also it's decreasing also, no?
Yeah, it is
So
decreasing. Yeah. So this is how AI also is there. Troubleshooting also here it is. They mentioned they are adding one by one like this. Fine. Okay. This is still alarm is there or not? Still alarm is there. Okay. Next. If you want to resolve this alarm, what we have to do? What to do?
if you need an alarm,
No, still alarm is there. We need to resolve that, right?
you have to bring down some of the stop
You see
instance maybe.
your
Or,
instance, in the instance
yeah.
itself, CloudWatch.
Mhm.
See here. Instance I did not
One
stop, but instant got automatically stopped just because of
stopped.
alarm.
Okay, okay.
Okay. So here it is alarm status also showing here. One alarm we got.
Mm.
See, what is it? In the instance itself it is also showing.
I'll show you. That's great.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So let me try
And
to
it
start
stopped
this.
automatically,
Yeah,
which is
automatically stopped. So let me
okay.
start this. And also, so I'll refresh this. Refresh in the sense that you exiting from the loop, right? Understood?
Yeah.
So then you see this, you came from the load, you came out from the load.
Again.
Just refresh,
Well,
initiate.
this is a small load again because you
Yeah.
are connecting from the thing, so you
Yes.
won't get it.
So alarm here and alarms. So it will again after finishing this again 5 minutes it will take after removing that alarm. So it will take again 5 minutes.
Okay.
See here again 5 minutes to display associate alarms. See, still alarm is, that's why it is showing red color. So you are answerable, you are responsibility to clear the alarm. So they will get to know that. So how when you got alarm, till when you did not respond, that is also problems. Okay, it will create a
Yeah.
problem. So your response, whenever it triggers the alarm, immediately you have to clear it. So
Okay.
they will get to know that, they will highlight and escalate, why Sultana, why didn't you address this issue? So
Address
you
this.
you
Yeah.
kept around 1 minute or 5 minutes or 10 minutes like that. This is, already it will create a big problem like that. They will not polite.
Mm.
So they will, so it kind of escalation. Alarm you should not keep more time.
Okay.
Mm. So if I want to get down this alarm,
So
simply
for
I
this
just,
to bring the alarm down, basically you need to stop the instance. That's it, right?
no.
Uh,
So if you
mm,
want to bring this alarm down, so in our case I'll increase this 15 minutes,
yeah, yeah.
15% or 30% or 20%. In our case I'm saying, in real time not like that.
Yes.
In real time
Not
you
like that,
have to
of course.
resolve. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we don't have any load and all, we don't have any production issue, we don't have any servers at all. So see, you see this. So now you see the green color, alarm got clear, that.
Okay, okay.
So can you see here, now it is green color,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, yeah.
That's it, simple. So here it is like that. This is this, you need to understand the concept. That's the reason I just have mentioned everything like that. Intentionally I have removed this. For suppose in your case, if it is 90%, how will you do? You have to clear the caches, you have to increase the space or disk space or something like that. You need to add more space if it is CPU utilization in your case. Okay. So you just need to clear the caches or logs, df-kh, something kind of so we have a lot of commands are there. Or else you need to add more volume or storage in real time. Okay. So this is how it works, and still it is not finished. So and more, we have to create more dashboards on top of this cloud, what I can say, CloudWatch. Tomorrow we'll see that. Okay. Just
Okay.
one small part is pending. After
Okay.
finishing that, we'll see CLI.
But right now it's not chargeable, so you can keep this for until tomorrow also, I guess, right?
Yeah, I
Um,
can keep, no
but
problem.
I think you can stop the EC2 now. That's
Yeah,
it.
I can stop it. See, I can stop EC2 instance, and I'll keep it, no problem.
Okay. Mm,
I'll just do practice for you.
sure.
Will you do practice today?
Yeah, hopefully Friday, right? Yeah. Not sure, but I will try.
Yeah, do practice on top of this.
Mhm.
Just do continuously. Just what I can say, తెలుగులో ఉంటుంది
Yeah, yeah,
ఏది పడితే అది టచ్ చేయడం ఇట్లా. So you
yeah,
just
yeah.
touch everything. Just go through it.
Touch everything.
Touch everything. That's it.
Hmm.
Okay. So thank you, Sultana, for connection, for
No
connecting today.
problem.
Thanks for your time.
Thank you.
Do more practice continuously.
Yeah. Hmm.
So do more research. Do more practice. You'll be expert one fine day.
Inshallah.
Okay. No problem. Definitely you will. So what I practice makes a man perfect. Nothing else.
True.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Always we have to follow that only. See, it's green color. So now
Mm.
until the alarm rises, until then it will be green color. You see how
It
much
will be
time
good.
it started.
Yeah. For
You see that start time
yeah.
12:58, 56 something, and ended,
Mm-hmm.
you see here 13.
13:07.
So how many minutes? 1 minute,
9 minutes.
9 minutes maybe. Yeah. So whatever time, duration time, this much time you kept. So now it is dropped
Mm-hmm.
somewhere. That's okay. So this is all about CloudWatch. This is how we can
Mm-hmm.
able to set up, and along with the alarms. Next tomorrow we're gonna see that how to create the dashboards for each and individual widgets. Okay,
Okay.
we'll create some widgets in different kind of charts. We'll see that. Okay.
Yeah.
Right. Thank you. Thanks for joining today. Please
Thank
do more
you.
practice. So then you
Sure.
will be
Okay.
perfect. So until then,
Thank you.
tomorrow we'll see you. Until then, take
Yeah.
care. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.